Are you tired of generating AI images one by one? What if you could generate hundreds of images automatically with just a single click? In this video, I'll show you how to create unlimited bulk AI images using the Autopik Chrome Extension. First, Chrome Web Store. Search for Autopik Bulk Image Generator. Go ahead and install Autopik in your Chrome browser. Once installed, open the extension and sign up with your Gmail or email account. Then, launch Autopik. You can generate images in 3 different ways: by uploading your prompt files, by pasting your text directly, or by creating your own prompts inside Autopik. When creating prompts, you can customize settings such as image style, concept or theme, prompt count, creativity level, description section, size and resolution, and even more advanced options to fine-tune your results. After setting up your prompts, you're ready to generate bulk AI images. For example, if you upload prompt files, just click the Start Processing button and Autopik will instantly begin generating images based on your prompts, and even download them automatically. And that's it. You've just seen how quick and easy it is to generate unlimited bulk AI images with Autopik. The tool link is in the description, so go ahead and install Autopik Bulk Image Generator today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.